Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss. How to prevent others from sharing your reels to their stories on Facebook. If you're concerned about maintaining control over your content, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the Facebook app from the Play Store. Simply head over to the search bar, type in Facebook, and look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it and select Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account. Step 2. After signing in, you'll notice 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those lines to access the menu. Step 3. Now tap on the gear icon located next to the search bar. This will take you to the settings menu. Step 4. Scroll down until you find Audience and Visibility and tap on it. Step 5. Within the Audience and Visibility settings, locate Reels represented by the video icon. Tap on it. Step 6. Look for the option that says, Allow others to share your Reels to their stories. By default, it is usually the first option. Step 7. If the option is turned on, tap on it to turn it off. This action ensures that others cannot share your Reels to their stories. And there you have it. You have successfully prevented others from sharing your Reels to their stories on Facebook. That concludes our full guide on how to prevent others from sharing your Reels to their stories. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in maintaining control over your content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.